Want to know how to create a new C or C++ project in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application. So once you've done that, here on the top left side, you should be seeing your navigation bars. So on the left side, you should be seeing file. Just simply select it. And now once you select file, here you should be seeing a new project that should be right on top. So just simply select a new project right here. And once you select a project, here you should be given with various options. Now, since we want to create a C or C++ project, here you should see C and C++ under any files right here. So make sure to select lightweight C or C++ project. And once you're done, just simply select next right here. And once that is done, you can just simply write in your project path by selecting this 3-dot icon, and then your file explorer should open up where you can simply choose your document. Now, once you've found it, just simply select next, enter compile commands if needed, select next, and then type in your configuration name, build, clean, and then select finish right here. Once that is done, your C or C++ file should be automatically created. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.